Hi guys, I know it's been a minute or whatever, but I'm finally coming back to here. I think we'll be on level 1. So I've just have some exciting news. I've been able to get a new apartment. So today I'm gonna be doing an empty tour. So watch out for it. Let's just go. So this is my new apartment. It's a little bit rugged, but for now. Okay, let's do this. Which one is the key? So this is my hallway. I don't know how if I can flip this around, but this is my hallway. The entrance is that way, and this is my hallway. So when you come in, you have the wall and more storage wall, and then you've got your little laundry, and it's also got like a laundry tab, and it's also got like the toilet there that if I do get visitors, they don't have to use my toilet, which is amazing. So I like that. And then there's more storage rooms here just to stuff my stuff in, because I didn't get a garage space to underground garage space to have my stuff in. So this would be amazing to just store more stuff in there. So moving on. So that is the hallway. As you can see, we'll just flip the camera around and so I can show you guys properly what I'm doing. We have 2 rooms. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. So I've got a spare room for more storage and more storage and more storage. So this has got a big wardrobe where you can pack more stuff. I don't think I have enough stuff for all these, but because I don't have a garage space, I think the storage space will be amazing. So this is my second room. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the second room yet, but I'm probably gonna do it as a beauty room where I do my videos. And then this is the another bedroom. I think this is gonna be my bedroom. I don't know, I just decided this would be my room. It's not any bigger from the other one, but I just think it will do. I don't have a big bed, I have a double bed. So this is the storage, the closet for the room that I'm probably gonna be taking, and then the second space as well. This is it. Yeah, and I love the fact that it's got a lock. Most of these apartment houses do not have locks, so this has got a lock that I can lock my door if I'm sleeping, because I'm gonna be the only one sleeping in the house. Moving on to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. So this is my bathroom for the next 6 months or whatever. This is it. And this is also the toilet place I can store stuff, because I don't think this is big enough to get something over here I can store, because I'm gonna put my laundry there, my laundry bag and stuff like that on that side, and I'm gonna have a little something here that I can store more stuff, or even at the top, because I don't want too much clutter. I don't think I'm gonna store anything up there, because it'll be too much going on. But yeah, that's it. And lights off. And let's go into my favorite area. So this is going to be my kitchen. This is also going to be the where I'm gonna be cooking, doing all that extra stuff. Barely cook, but I guess it will do. And this is going to be my what do you call, living area. I do not know how I'm gonna set it up, but I'm probably thinking I'm gonna set it up this way because I have some wall hangings that I would want to like put up here and then have the space on this side. So that's why I think I'm gonna do it this way, because I can see from the previous people that stayed here, they had the same thing, because you can see the max on there. And yeah, and my dining set will go on this side, and then this is my garage, my backyard, which is not that big, but it will do. I like the fact that it's got that little thing there. I can keep more stuff down there. And then this is going to be my outside view. My outside view is pretty terrible, but it will do. For now, it took me a while to get it placed, but I guess this will do for now. I'm actually pretty excited for this place. It's just going to be me. Look at my hallway. Like, I'm thinking I'm gonna do like set up my hallway, you know, entrance or whatever on that side. And what is this? Okay, I need to take a photo of the apartment and the same condition it is in. That way when you're moving, they did not give you any hassle. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I am going to do a final like decor and whatever, and I'm gonna show you guys how it went. I know you guys will be pretty excited to like see the finished look of this place. I'm pretty excited myself because this is the first like big move for me, like getting my own place and designing it to my taste and not having to think about another person's view or anything as such. So I'm pretty excited about it. So I will keep you guys updated and keep you posted with it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Bye.